How to link cards on PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to link cards on your PayPal account. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you can either open up PayPal application on your device or continue on with the web browser. I'll just open up Google Chrome here. And all you have to do is just search for paypal.com. I already have my PayPal open here, so I'll just enter my password and log into my account. Once you are logged into your account, all you have to do here is find an option to link a card. It will show up right here on the top of your screen or below the card section as well. Tap on the three dots at the side and go to Wallet to enter the card or link a new card as well. Tap on Link a Card. Then it will open up this pop-up where you have an option to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and then your billing address. So just fill out all of these information. Once everything is filled out, just tap on Link Card and you should be good to go. If all of the details are correct, your card should be linked with your PayPal account. If this was helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.